Happy birthday, Kuya.
That's Tatay's cousin.
Wala kang iyak. Kondisyon na eh. Birthday
Thank
na.
you po sa lahat. More blessing para sa inyo.
Ano na, ganun talaga. Kaya may
Sa advice nung na accident ako is iba yun ang sabi din namin na wag ako ay pabakal and take God, yun na nangyari. Hindi ako pinabakalan kaya nakatay agad ako within 3 months not years ako kaya thank you sa advice, thank you sa mga blessings na binibigay mo sa amin. Yun lang.
para kasi kita mga nasa golden age.
Golden talaga.
Siyempre, golden na yung mga age. Dati ay mga bugoy-bugoy, kaya nga si Paul mga golden. Malapit ka na maging lolo pag si Clarence.
Wow!
Sit down.
If and only if.
If again, if. At least,
Kuya Kokoy,
Ooh, ayan na siya.
happy birthday. Hindi, thank you.
Nagsimula na!
Hala!
Hala, yun.
Sobrang blessed kami na yung family namin ni Papa na nandiyan ka. Ayaw kong biyak!
Ba't ako siya naiiyak eh?
Thank you sa lahat. Konting lambingan sa inyo, maging kay Kuya Tords. Nagagalit agad. Sobrang blessed kami dahil meron kami mga kuya na kagaya. Thank you so much.
Amen.
And it's really meant a lot, especially when I'm going through those things. And I truly appreciate everything.
Alright.
Oh, quiet!
quiet, only one meeting.
Sabay na, happy birthday, Koy! Love you!
Oh.
Happy birthday!
Ano pala yan? Everyone's like, happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you so much sa lahat ng for the family. Reason na talagang nag-find sa
Kawawa, kawawa siya.
Ako daw?
Nakauwi kayo. Just to, diba? Kasi kami lagi naman kami taon-taon may pupunta rito eh. But thank God na nakarating kayo ng safe at talagang kanya natin siya mag-reason. So, thank you for your be strong always. Mentally, spiritually. Emotionally, siyempre ikaw yung spiritual leader ng family.
Ito yan.
Lover and provider. So, yung role mo na, ang role mo na naman. Thank you for that ginagampanan mo yung role mo na. You are blessing everyone. Yun lang. We love you.
Thank you, Sir. Okay.
Talagang napaka-ato pa rin.
English din, English.
Napaka-ato talaga nila sa amin. Ang iya talaga ito kung ganito. Pagbigay sa amin talaga. Simula pat katong hanggang ngayon. Hindi siya nagpupunan ng pagbigay sa amin. Nagpapasalamat ako sa amin noon dahil nandyan siya. Kaya ako nagpapasalamat sa ilang kami pagkakasita. Hindi ako pagkakumali dahil sila yung halihan. Kaya ako ay nagpapasalamat ako sa ila. At
Lahat. At ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa buhay ni Kukoy, buong family. Talagang napaka-generous nila. Talagang ina-extend nila rin ang mga blessings at marami niya na nagtulungan. Sa ganung paraan ay marami ang napapasaya nila. At dalangin ko po ay sana ay ingatan pa ni Lord. Alagaan niya ang medical ni Kukoy, buong family. Sana ay si Kukoy po ay talagang mapagmahal, no? Hindi lang sa mga kamag-anak nila. Hindi ka mag-anak ay naramdaman ng bawat isa ang kanilang pag-care. Talagang kami ay proud na proud sa kanilang buhay. Sana po ay habaan pa ni Lord ang buhay. Salamat dahil hindi kayo nagsasawa na tumulong sa kapwa. No? Sana ay lalong ibuhos ni Lord ang blessings sa inyo. Happy birthday, Koy!
All of you. As your oldest, you kind of taught me how to be a man and how to raise Sophia and Bono. You've taught me a lot. My birthday's about to be here. I can say I've kind of grown like a lot. I don't know what else to say. I'm appreciative. Thank you for teaching me a lot how to grow up. And yeah, and then hopefully soon.
Amen. Yes.
Thank you for everything that you've done for me, Kuya Manong and Nanay.
Tagalog.
Like, that would take 5 hours. Even though, you know, by the time we go back, all of us will be gone, but, you know, you still have Nanay. Nanay is there still for you, but we're always going to be there for you no matter what. You know, me and Manong, we're just 30 minutes away. Kuya will
4 hours.
be 4 hours away, but that's still okay. We're just phone, text away. And we love you always. And yeah, thanks for everything, Dad.
Salamat na salamat po sa ikaw. Is that right? No? Close enough. Happy birthday. I'm glad that I can be able to call you my tatay. And we appreciate everything you do, even though you don't outright say it. We do appreciate you and love you for everything. And thank you for bringing us all together with the power of money.
That's also true.
Yep. We literally could not be here without you and Nanay and everybody else. Yeah. Thank you for being a great tatay to all of us. Not a perfect one because nobody's perfect, but you did your best. It turned out great. And yeah, we love you and everything you do.
Okay.
Family. It's a privilege
Ako
na
na.
maging kuya ng family kasi right now, nakikita ko na from the beginning, God is so good. It's not about who we are, it's not about what we have. It's about ano yung ginagawa ng Lord sa amin from day one to day now. God is so good, no? Kasi ako, we are so transparent. Ito nakikita nyo, this is where we came from. This all we started. But God is so good. He is good. He died sa for yung mga dinero. It's not about that. It's about those people na ginamit niya to bring us where we are right now. And the people where we are used by God to influence others, to help people. And I thank God kasi si Kukoy Bigay, malayo siya. He died distressed. Dali lang dito. Actually, hindi madaling magbakasyon dito sa totoo lang. I just want everyone na maintindihan na sa mga batang ito, hindi mahirap mag-stay dito. I understand that. I even suggested before that at least kahit si Kali si Mano, i-hotel lang sa bayan. Kasi we are not used to this. Tayo, we are used to this. Pero sila, they are not used to this. So when they stay here, sa part nila, it's also sacrifice. Hindi na natin nakikita yun. It's a sacrifice na